Super. Så digitale sider. Go and visit the mosque there. It's just like in the Middle East, okay? Yeah,
Every people will come to peace.
Thank you, Habibi. Assalamu alaikum, good morning guys, here from Viborg. I woke up 6:30 and there is still no one there. But I slept well. It was okay place. Everything was actually working, functioning. And now I will make Fajr. When I have prayed Fajr, then I am ready to work a little bit, 1 hour. And after that I would go for my workshop and show you the city at the same time. And then we have to go home again. Bismillah, tawakkaltu ala Allah.
Nå, den her.
Ja, godmorgen.
Ja, men jeg er ikke dem, der kommer ved den her.
Winter is not the correct season to come and visit this. Otherwise, I would really love to enjoy the city and see how beautiful it is. Right now there is a lot of snow and it's cold and foggy too. I don't see anything. And it's almost 8 o'clock. Ja, hej Simon, det er Ahmad her. Super. Det er fint. Sådan. Digitale sider. Heldig.
Tak for i dag.
Jamen selv tak.
Og undskyld, jeg kunne putte dig.
Det var rigtig god dag til jer. God arbejdsløst. Hej igen. So we got Alhamdulillah. Very good day today. I am here at the University of Viborg and now the sun is shining. I am ready to get to Copenhagen again. In Viborg I would like to spend some time in the masjid. I go to several parts of Denmark, and whenever I come to a new city, then I try to go and visit the mosque there. Nice. Okay. I see it's a mosque, but it's closed. All the doors are closed and it's very icy here. Maybe I can go to Aarhus. Yeah, that's a very big city. and bigger mosque and everything. Let's go to the bazaar there. We are on our way to Aarhus, which is the second largest region or city in Denmark. There is sunshine, but temperature is -5, so it's quite cold outside, a lot of snow, and the view is very nice. Welcome to Aarhus. Aarhus is the second largest city in Denmark, and now we want to explore the bazaar of this city, inshallah. Okay, mashallah, it's just like in the Middle East. Okay, what do we have here? Mashallah, mashallah. Assalamu alaikum, habibi. Okay, okay. I really like it. I never expect this one. We don't have it in Copenhagen. This is the capital of Denmark. Assalamu alaikum, abi. Welcome. Yes, it is on YouTube.
Where from? London.
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan for London.
But I live in
Bazar Vest is the best place. Everyone's welcome
Yeah.
to coming. International place.
Inshallah.
For the good people, or good food.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you know it.
Yeah,
Every people
alhamdulillah.
welcome. Come to peace.
Thank you, Habibi.
Of course, brother.
Jazakallah khairan.
But we speak in every language. We international.
Alhamdulillah,
Bazar Vest.
alhamdulillah. من وين؟
أنا كردي عراقي.
كردي عراقي. أهلا وسهلا. اسمك؟
يا عبد الله.
عبد الله.
مرة
أو
شيخ.
اوكي الحمد لله.
غيره
أحمد.
أحمد. اسمه أحمد.
أحمد أفغاني أو
أحمد.
أحمد أي ما شاء الله بعرف كورة خايغك.
كازت.
السلام عليكم حبيبي. ما شاء الله.
شكرا يا أبطال جماعة الإسلام.
Okay, mashallah. Really nice. I like it. Like it very much.
Mango tutti, mango tutti, mango tutti.
Assalamu alaikum. We got our baklava, tasting, and now we will explore the shops. You have bakery, a lot of Turkish, Arabic, and Somali shops. We have, mashallah, we have some toilets too. Okay, here we have some history. The first immigrants in Denmark. This is actually a very good picture of the first immigrants, and this is the Danish central train station. Before, they didn't have these shops and mosques, so they tried to have a chat with one another in the central station. Oh, lovely kebab, but I have to go. So much snow here. Wow, wow, wow. Pakrishki? Okay, behind us there is this, the bazaar is there to the left, and we have the mosque here, but it's closed. And inshallah we get our ajr and reward for this one and the other mosque we went to, but unfortunately it is closed. Yo, Chuck. Kaisi badan tu lewa de. Why. Some there. Kaisi pronounce it go ile Aarhus. Og jeg tager den bare med, ikke også? Du må godt give lidt ekstra chili ovenpå. A lot of chili, inshallah. Yeah.
Also, peanut pop?
Du bist Nike, so Nike. Fantastic. Wait. Now we would like to buy a present for Habibah, and I think this one was the only one I really liked. And okay, this one, should I buy the red or the blue one? Let's see. Why not both? I can buy both. Yeah, let's do it. Skal jeg købe den blå eller den røde, Habibi? Eller jeg køber begge to. Det? So we did got some gifts for Habibah. That's the good part, the good news. The bad news was the masjid was closed. I am interested in the view. So good in this weather, and lovely, and ferry is quite fast, if you hear me. Let's check this side. Okay, these are the clothes that I got from the other city, from Aarhus in Jutland. And that's the dark work. That's no. That's it. Delta. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thank you.